Hey, this is Paul at Dynamic Machine Design. A lot of people have a misunderstanding about what automation is and what automation does because their only exposure to it is like big assembly lines for automotive building cars or big bottling lines in soft drink plants and stuff like that. Well, true, that is automation. It's a lot bigger than what most people would have or need in their facilities. With automation, what we like to do is take tasks, not jobs, but tasks, ones that either require a lot of accuracy or a lot of repetitiveness or both, or are inherently dangerous. And we mechanize those tasks under the control of a simple PLC system. So with modularization, we can slowly go through a plant and in the process and debottleneck that process one task at a time, continuously improving output, quality control, and the bottom line profit of that company while reducing waste. So when you think about your processes in your factories, don't think about giant bottling lines. Think about one task at a time. Where's your pain point? Where's the point that's bottlenecked? Where's the spot in your process where everybody seems to be gathered around trying to get things done? What's the spot that's always slowest? What's the most dangerous? Where do you need the most accuracy or the most repeatability? And that repeatability can be boredom, like stacking things. Your smartest and best machine is the human being, and it's a waste of resources to have people doing stacking, bagging, bottling, palletizing, depalletizing, etc. So think about your processes. Think about your pain points, because that's where you want to start when you start looking at automation in your plant.